Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LAs.com. Today I'm going to be showing you a great way to add an aggressive look and a lot of light output to your 2017 and up Ford Raptor by installing these hood-mounted Spartan lights. All right, each of these Spartans has 12 CREE XTE 5-watt LED chips. So it's capable of a raw lumen output of over 7,500 lumens. These things are extremely bright. And you'll notice that there's 6 front-facing LEDs, and then we have 3 side-emitting LEDs on both sides. So this is going to give you not only a great distance with your light spread, but it's going to spread the light out. So when you cut these on for your driver and passenger side, it's going to light up a wide array of light, and you're definitely going to be able to see where you're going. It's an excellent product. It's easy to install, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. The first thing that we're going to do is mount these custom brackets here on our truck so that we can mount our Spartan lights. All right, so take note that there is a right and a left bracket. So this is our right bracket. You're going to take this small base here. That's going to be our mounting point to the truck. And this larger base here is going to be our mounting point for our light. Okay, so on this right side, you're going to want to make sure that this angle piece is on the outside of the truck and facing back, with our small base here at the bottom. Okay, so this signifies that this is going to be our passenger side mount, and we're going to mount it right here underneath this kind of plastic shroud here. So just to make it a little easier on the video, I'm going to take this antenna off real quick. You shouldn't have to. It might make it a little easier when you're doing your install. So, and then we're just going to lift up on this plastic shroud just like that, and that's going to expose a 10mm bolt right here that we're going to take our socket wrench, and we're just going to remove this bolt. We'll be able to put our bracket down, put the bolt back, and that's all there is to installing this hardware. All right, so we're going to do that now. All right, I think we've got it loose enough to do by hand here. All right, so there's our 10mm bolt that we removed. So let's take our custom bracket here. Again, the small side's going to come down, so our bolt's going to go right in there like that. Lift this back up and put the bolt right back in. This time with our mount in place. Hand thread it a little bit first, and then we'll take our ratchet to get it the rest of the way. Okay. Got our ratchet here. It's a little tight. Now that we've got our bracket installed, we just need to fold down this plastic covering here up under the bracket, like so. Push it back down, and now we're ready for our light. Now that we've got our brackets mounted on the truck, let's go ahead and prep our Spartans. So all what we need to do here is attach our adjustable mounts. All right, so flip the light over, and you'll notice that there are 2 open channels here, and that's what we're going to insert our adjustable bracket here in. It's a little bit of a snug fit, but you're going to want these channels here to line up with the outer holes on the lights, because that's where our screws are going to come through. All right, so let's see. Once you get it where it lines up, we're going to take these nuts, and you're just going to drop one underneath the bracket here, just like so. Kind of hard to see on camera, but that's going to now allow us to insert our bolt here, like so. And then we'll be able to use the included Allen wrench to make contact with that nut there. It's going to allow us to tighten it all the way. Once you get about 80%, 90%, we'll go ahead and do the other side as well. Now that we've got both our side bolts and our adjustable bracket here installed, we just need to add our mounting bolt. So you can just slide it under your adjustable bracket like so, and now it's in the opening bracket channel. And now we're ready to mount our Spartan light to the truck itself. Getting our light installed to the mounts that we've already installed is extremely easy. We're just going to take this lock washer and nut, and we're going to thread it up this bolt. We ran through our adjustable U-bracket earlier. Once we get it kind of hand snug, we're going to take a size 13 wrench. Let's see if we can clean that up. There we go. You can use a size 14 wrench here on the top if you need it. I think we're going to be okay there. Okay. So now, once it's firmly tightened in place, you'll be able to adjust your light left, right, up, down, based on your needs. Now, once you get it in the position that you want, come back and we're going to fully tighten these side bolts, and we'll probably tighten this a little bit further as well. And then we'll repeat for the passenger side. Now let's connect our light to the harness. So I'm going to route our wiring kind of under the bracket here and then under the this plastic fender, and that's is where I'm going to connect our fully IP68 heavy duty waterproof weatherproof connector here. Notice all the sealing, and we're going to screw this connection cap all the way over to make sure that those rubber seals are compressed so they can keep any of that moisture or weather out of the system. All right. Next, we need to connect our harness terminal rings to the battery terminals. So we're going to be connecting the black to the negative terminal ring and the red to the positive side of the battery. You can use a size 11 socket or wrench for your positive bolt on your battery, and a size 13 generally for the ground on your battery for the negative side. The last thing we need to do is connect our blue switch lead from our harness directly to the aux switch inputs here for your Raptor. All right, so we're going to be connecting to the aux switch 3. You can check the your Raptor manual. It'll tell you which wires go to which switch for your particular year. For this 17, switch 3 is kind of a purple orange combo. All right, so we've just got to connect our harness to that switch. We're going to be using this easy quick splice connector. This makes it really easy. So you just run one wire in this channel and the other wire in the other channel, and we're going to clamp down on this metal tab, and it's going to connect the two wires. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So we'll run our switch harness wire here through the channel on the back, and then we're going to take our purple orange wire and run it through the front channel like so. Close it in with your hand. Make sure that the wires don't slip out. Kind of hold them in with your fingers. Okay, and now we're going to take a set of pliers and just press down on this metal tab. Just like so. Now our switch is connected to our aux import here for switch 3. You can clamp it down just to lock that connection in place. All right. Okay guys, installing our hood-mounted Spartans was that easy. It makes a big difference at night when you cut these puppies on. They are extremely bright. The camera can't capture how much light that these things are putting off right now, but it definitely will light up the whole night in front of you. We highly recommend the upgrade. It's going to definitely improve your evening and nighttime driving experience. Plus, even in the day when they're off, they look awesome on the truck. So you can check them out at f150leds.com. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date with the latest and greatest LED products built specifically for your Ford F150 Raptor. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you at f150leds.com soon. Thanks, guys.